the role of Cherry. Can I say, bakit po Saving Cherry ang title? Okay. Ang role ko po dito, I am the wildest virgin you will ever see. And you will find out why. And do cheaters deserve a second chance? Fuck no.
Oh my
God. Thank you.
Oh my gosh, sino ba si Cherry? I love it. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello. Very.
I'm Khalil and I play the role of Jude here in the film, the cheating husband. Do cheaters deserve a second chance? There's a long answer and there's a short answer. I'll say the short answer. I believe no. Simply because I think it is impossible to restore the relationship after breaking the trust and the respect. Yun lang.
Agree.
Deserve ba ng mga cheaters ng second chance? Okay. Full transparency. I used to believe na wala naman talaga kasing perfect. So, I used to believe na pwede, okay lang yun. And the important thing is the why. Yung sagot sa kung bakit nagawa. But now I agree with Khalil. No. Because giving a chance to a cheater is not... Yung chance hindi para dun sa cheater eh. Yung compromise, mas nasa'yo. So, yeah. No more! That's the answer. No more.
Kalakpakan po natin, Mikey
Thank you.
Kinos. Love it, empowered. Yes.
Ako na.
Po si Mika Salamanca and I play the character Jewel. Very sensual. Yun lang po ang aking masasabi muna. Ang sagot ko po sa tanong is no. No talaga. I stayed din kahit chinitan ako ng 2 beses sa best friend niya tsaka sa ex niya. Ay, nag-share na pala tayo. Hindi ganon. So yun. Parang lahat tayo yung cheating experience. Female rage.
Hi, my name is Tasa Girl. Sa totoong buhay, mahihain ako pero ngayon, I'm playing Marta, ang pinakalutang ninyong tropa. So, to answer the question, do cheaters deserve a second chance? Kung si JC, oo. Ayun, napakarupok. Wala tayong magagawa dyan. Di ba? Alam mo, ang lala na naging relationship namin. Relationship? Ayun na, nag-iba na yung kwento. Hindi, wala lang. I mean, in honesty, hindi talaga. Ayun, it's a no for me. Pero kung si JC nga, ewan ko, mapapaisip ako dyan. Thank you, yun lamang po.
Good afternoon po. Hello po everybody. I'm AC Bonifacio and I play Ingrid here, your conservative friend who loves to protect you but will also be there for you through all of it. To answer the question, I think it's simple. I think we've all been on the same page, but no, they obviously don't deserve a second chance. But at the same time, why would you even allow yourself to be with a person who could cheat on you? I think it's more of on yourself and like, do you deserve another person who could do that to you type of thing. But yeah, yun ba.
Wedding ko, I wanna get married in Vegas. In Verawan. Para may divorce. Thank you, Miss Natalie. Thank you.
It was very challenging. Kasi yung timpla, na iba kasi yung nag-shift, iba yung pinagsasama mo in one emotion eh. May mga eksena ng ganun si Direk Ivan sa akin na ako naman bilang pinagkatiwalaan talaga hanggang sa abot na makakaya ko kung ano naman ang in-order sa akin. I try to deliver really. Siguro lagi ko lang tinatandaan na dahil lahat po kami ay one-on-one ni Direk Ivan before kami mag-script reading. So bago namin mabasa yung script as a group, kargado na kami kasi alam namin ang gusto niyang mangyari. Alam na namin yung vision niya. And so with Cherry, sabi niya, all-out comedy to, Barbie. As in, wild comedy. Pero, punong-puno to ng puso. So yun din ang ginawa ko, na kahit nagpapatawa ako, yung eksena sa hagdan, totoo yung emosyon. Kahit ang atake or ang scene objective is supposed to be funny, where I'm coming from emotionally should be real and coming from a place of truth. Anong proyekto, lagi ko ho talagang ginugol na ang makita po nila or ang mapanood nila yung character, hindi si Barbie. Na, kasi I also like playing characters na medyo broken in the beginning and then you go with her through her journey para ayusin ang sarili niya. Mas yun yung mga gusto kong characters. And so I always try to make sure na ang makikita nila yung character para kumapit sila dun. So, ang goal ko palagi as an actor, gawing tao yung character na yon. Yung nabasa ko sa script, gawin ko siyang tao. So, never kong kinwestiyon. If lagi kong sinasabi, hindi si Barbie to. So, I always have to understand the whys of the character. Yung why, yung bakit siya ganito, bakit ganito yung rage niya, saan nanggagaling. Para magampanan ko ng ayos. At para hindi nyo makita si Barbie. Para kahit, yun nga, katulad po ng sinabi nyo, kahit magmura ako, or kahit magsabi ako ng mga bastos na salita, hindi siya nakakagalit kay Barbie kasi hindi siya si Barbie. Nakikita nyo si Cherry. And you feel for her kasi alam nyo kung saan siya galing, nahuli niya yung asawa niya. So, gets nyo yung wrath, yung level of rage niya, ganyan. So, sa
Okay, Barbie, make a wish. Happy birthday, Barbie! Once again, saving Cherry out on September 2, 2026 at Cinemas Nation.